Have you ever felt like life is unpredictable, leaving you constantly yearning for a sense of control? Like you're waiting for something, but you're not exactly sure what. In today's fast-paced world, it's all too common to feel overwhelmed by the twists and turns of life. We are constantly seeking answers, searching for a way to harness the power that shapes our reality. Welcome to our transformative journey where we explore the untapped power within us all, the power of manifestation. Prepare yourself for a revelation that will forever change the way you perceive the world. Manifestation holds the key to tapping into unseen spiritual energy and predicting the events that unfold in our lives. It is a supercharged force that lies dormant within each of us, shaping our reality every single day. But here's the intriguing part. Many of us are unaware of this incredible power at our fingertips. We go through life like sleepwalkers, oblivious to the vast potential that lies within. In this video, we will delve deep into the secrets of manifestation, revealing how you can unlock and channel this extraordinary energy to create the life of your dreams. But first, I need your help. If you find this topic fascinating and want to embark on an incredible journey of self-discovery and empowerment, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to continue sharing valuable insights and transformative knowledge with the world. Together, we can embark on this remarkable journey of manifestation. Get ready to unlock your true potential, harness the unseen spiritual energy, and seize control of your destiny. Prepare for a revelation that will leave you in awe. Thank you for joining us. Let's dive into the mystical world of manifestation and discover the extraordinary power hidden within each of us. Let the journey begin. In this segment, we will explore the profound connection between our thoughts, intentions, and the incredible power of manifestation. Join me as we delve into the secrets of creating the life we desire. Our thoughts and intentions act as powerful magnets, drawing towards us what we desire from the universe. This universal law of attraction teaches us that what we focus on expands. Imagine a fusion of ancient wisdom and modern practices, combining to form a roadmap for manifestation through prayers. This fusion teaches us how to align our intentions with the universal energy, amplifying our abilities to manifest our deepest desires. Imagine you have been longing for financial abundance. By harnessing the power of manifestation through prayer, you align your thoughts and intention with the vibrations of abundance. Through focused belief and unwavering faith, you attract opportunities, wealth, and financial abundance into your life. But it doesn't stop there. This miraculous power of manifestation allows us to create anything we want in life, whether it's love, health, success, or even the abundance of joy. By recognizing and embracing our worthiness of happiness, we open the floodgates of possibility and bring these desires into reality. Now, let's contemplate the oneness and interconnectedness of all things. Everything around us vibrates with its unique energy, reflecting the presence of God throughout the entire universe. When you immerse yourself in nature, you can feel the majestic vibrations of the earth, the soothing whispers of the wind, and the radiant warmth of the sun. These vibrations serve as a constant reminder of the divine presence surrounding us. In this segment, we will dive deeper into the profound interconnectedness that exists within the universe and how understanding this connection allows us to tap into our innate godlike power of manifestation. It is important to recognize that we are all connected by energy and an integral part of the divine's grand design. Each one of us, with our unique vibrations, contributes to the intricate fabric of the universe. Building upon this notion, esteemed author Neville Goddard once stated that we possess a godlike power to manifest our desires. This power is deeply rooted in our understanding of universal energy and vibrations. Moving forward, it is crucial to acknowledge that prayer is not about begging or pleading with an external force. Instead, it is a sacred act of communication with ourselves as co-creators of our own reality. One technique to assist in manifesting our desires is by expressing gratitude towards the universe for what we seek. By acknowledging and appreciating the blessings that are already present in our lives, we create a positive alignment with the energy of abundance, attracting more of what we desire. Expressing gratitude not only shifts our perspective from lack to abundance, but it also helps us match the frequency of our future selves to our present selves. This alignment facilitates a faster manifestation of the desired outcomes we seek. Imagine this scenario. You desire a promotion at work. Instead of focusing on the absence of the promotion, you express gratitude for the skills and opportunities you currently have. By doing so, you align your energy with the frequency of your future self who has already achieved that promotion, thus bringing it into reality. Friends, let's explore the incredible power of gratitude, manifestation journaling, faith, and positive affirmations. First and foremost, we must remember to be grateful for all the wonderful things in our lives. Gratitude opens the floodgates of abundance and sets the stage for manifestation. When we appreciate the blessings that surround us, we attract more positivity into our reality. Now, let's talk about the power of manifestation journaling. Creating a journal allows us to capture our thoughts, desires, and affirmations in written form. Using present tense language, we articulate what we wish to manifest as if it is already true. When it comes to expressing your desires, be generous with yourself. Don't hold back. Write with conviction and confidence, as if your desires have already manifested. Through this act of generous expression, you align your energy with the reality you wish to create. Having faith in yourself and the universe is vital when setting your manifestation intentions. Trust in the process and let go of the details of how your desires will come into fruition. The universe works in mysterious ways, and by releasing control, you allow space for infinite possibilities. Now, let's talk about the power of positive affirmations. When practiced with strong belief, affirmations can reprogram our subconscious mind and align our thoughts with our desires. Recognize within yourself the power of God that can create wonders. Embrace faith and trust in your innate ability to shape reality. Realize that you are a co-creator in this vast universe. By tapping into your inner power, you can bring forth the life of your dreams. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of the power of manifestation. We've discovered that manifestation is not just a mere coincidence or luck, but rather the ability to tap into unseen spiritual energy and predict events in our lives. It's remarkable to think that each and every one of us has access to this incredible, supercharged energy within us. This energy shapes our lives every day, influencing the outcomes and experiences we attract. The power of manifestation lies within us, waiting to be harnessed. If you found this video insightful and empowering, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest transformative content we have to offer. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences on manifestation in the comment section below. Let's create a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are committed to manifesting their dreams. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting with confidence, conviction, and unwavering faith.